The title significance of the poem Asleep in the Valley. The two terms asleep and valley are used here in most ironic sense. Asleep means here dead and valley indicates here the beautiful nature or the beautiful world. The poem unfolds how the horrible war defiles, damages, destroys the beautiful world. The poem unfolds how the cruel war destroys, damages this graceful earth. So, ironically, the theme of the poem is most brilliant. The sarcastic tune of the poem is explained in the poem. The sarcastic tune of the poem is explained here very beautifully by the poet. The poem unfolds how a young soldier becomes the cruel victim of warfare, how a young soldier is butchered, is destroyed by the touch of fire. In this way, the poet wants to indicate that warfare has no utility at all. It carries for mankind no utility at all. So war must be abolished from this earth. So the very theme, the very subject matter of the poem is clearly present in the title Asleep in the Valley. So the title Asleep in the Valley is really apt or justified here for this poem. Okay. Next one, give a picture of the valley in the poem Asleep in the Valley. You will discuss in this way. The poem Asleep in the Valley begins with the beautiful picture of a valley. You have already realized it is a very beautiful, lovely, lively valley. Though the valley is small in size, it is full of life and vitality. Okay? The valley carries a deep hollow surrounded by high hills or high mountains. A soft, gentle, tender mountain stream flows there in a slow motion, and the beautiful sun rays come down from the mountain like a silvery ribbon. When the beautiful crimson sun rays come down, the sun rays look like a beautiful stream that flows over the grass. In the valley, there are also so many wildflowers and insects. The buzzing sound of the insects make the valley ever musical. So many beautiful, colorful flowers and grasses make the valley ever lively. Thus, the poem clears or upholds an attractive picture of a valley. In this valley, the poet finally discovers the shocking death of a young soldier. Thus, the poet has drawn a beautiful picture of a valley in this poem, Asleep in the Valley. Next one. In his side, there are two red holes. Where is the line taken from? The line is taken from the poem Asleep in the Valley by Arthur Rimbaud. What are the two red holes? You will say that here the two red holes are the two bullet marks or bullet injuries or bullet holes. How does the image imply the pity of war or futility of war? The expression of two red holes is the symbol of brutality or cruelty of warfare. Brutality or cruelty of warfare. Brutality or cruelty of warfare. The two red holes implies, clears how horrible a war front is. In the war front, a young soldier is mercilessly killed. A young soldier is inhumanly killed. No one can save his young life or fresh blood. A young soldier is inhumanly killed in the war front. The two red holes or bloody bullet holes clear that a young soldier must be the victim of an inevitable death in war front. So, the expression clears that the pity of war, the futility of war, the tragedy of war is the theme of this poem. So the two red holes are the significance, are the carry the importance of warfare in this poem. Okay, how does a young soldier lie in the valley? A young soldier lies in the valley with a lifeless, bloodless, colorless body. On nature's breast, he sleeps, taking a pillow made of fern under his head with an extended body. He sleeps or he lies in the valley with an extended body. With an extended body, keeping his feet among the flowers, putting his one hand on the breast, he enjoys a very beautiful, soft, cozy, peaceful sleep in the midst of nature. Okay, does a young soldier lies or sleeps in the valley, bathing in the sweet sunlight, bathing into the sweet sunlight, bathing into the sweet sunlight, or covering himself with sweet sunlight in the midst of open nature. He sleeps and he enjoys a very beautiful sleep. Okay, today up to here.